So hello everybody, and we are with our member Ashish Monkar,
Hi.
and we are at Orus. His 35 acres plantation, a wonderful plantation. Today we were with him. And Ashish, can you tell us something about your plantation? Some highlights about
Sure.
where we are standing now. What is this? And these are banana trees, I know. But then what is the significance of growing a banana tree and a supari tree?
Yeah. Okay, so basically, when I had purchased this land, then it was totally vacant with no trees, and as many into agriculture would know, that areca nut, which is supari, needs shade. So what we did was that we planted these banana trees, which give enough shade to the areca nut,
Yes.
and we planted. So here is a row of banana trees.
This, yeah.
Yeah, and the parallel row to that will be areca nut and coconut.
What about
And
these?
between these we have planted all spices. So we wanted this to be a kind of agriculture tourism for people to understand how exactly you can fit in many things in a small area.
So which all plants you have planted beyond
So
leaving these other?
so this is adulsa. This is he. 1 minute. All spices. Then जायफळ.
Okay, this side.
Then there is lemongrass. Lemongrass कुठे आहे रे इकडे त्या साईडला आहे ना हा lemongrass. So basically all varieties of spices we tried to. Some for scientific knowledge, maybe we will organize school trips or maybe office trips who come here, because people have always seen things on plate or the departmental stores, but where exactly it grows, below the soil, above the soil. So this will give them that total experience.
So friends, I was just having a coconut water over here. Normally when we have it in Mumbai or in Goa, no, the sweetness of that water is like artificial sweetness. But if you see over here, I was asking him whether he has added some sugar in it.
No.
But this is totally organic and complete. He is not using any of the chemicals.
True.
And I would request each and every member, maybe after 1 year, our Gautam Dume will be doing
The landscaping of this.
of this. This is only because of our Saraswat chamber that we all have come over here. And this is how we, through the chamber, support members
And collaborate
and
to
collaborate to grow together. So thank you very much.